loosen it or anything.
Yeah, let's go. This is as thick as my freaking thumb. Dude, let's go. That's lit. All right, we got my welders over here. This is Zach and Zach and Jack. Look at there, Zach and Jack. They are coming in clutch here. They are doing the whole skid plate for the X5 from head to toe on this thing. It's going to be military industrial grade. You're going to be able to ignite all the good stuff out from under this thing, and it's going to still be solid. But right now they're working on doing a resonator delete on the good old exhaust because the VRSF kit came with resonator, and we don't like that. We don't like any of that.
You back it up and cut it loose.
Here's what we're looking at for skid plate. This is just the mock-up right now. It's kind of what you can see. It's all the way under here. It's going to have 8 bolts to easily remove this and take it on and off. It's going to be super sick. Not going to worry about anything anymore. This is everything I destroyed in Tennessee, so that was lit. And yeah. Military grade.
How's it running? Really?
Yep.
Good?
Women.
Yeah.
All right, folks, I'm back. I will drop a picture of what I looked like 5 hours ago of what happened. I got welder's eye from trying to film this and watching Zach and Jack do this. It was interesting to say the least. It woke up this morning at like 2 a.m. with my eyes burning like the wildest burn I've ever had in my life. Like I just poured brake clean in them and just let it sit there for a minute. So yeah, had to call Kyle and Rachel and shout at them for taking me to the ER at 3 in the morning to go get some drops put in my eyes and go get some antibiotics, just some pain eye drops to help the pain go away, and I could actually open my eyes. Couldn't see anything. But we're back. Zach and Jack got all this. That kind of rolls off the tongue well. Zach and Jack Fabrication. But anyway, they got everything up here. They got the bumper back on it. They got a new bend in the front so it doesn't stick down as far. Everything's welded, everything's bolted up, and everything's very solid, and it looks freaking cool. It looks cool. Let's show you. So right here, if you come to the front, you have the front skid plate. It tucks up probably about right here under this little lip, maybe like an inch below it, and it goes all the way to the rear diff. From the side right here, what you're looking at is where it bends over and gets wider and follows the frame rails down. They welded 2 L brackets to the side of the frame here, and then followed it up with nuts welded on the top so we can easily bolt this up and unbolt it so I can access anything if I ever need to service stuff. And yeah, this thing is going to be very solid, very freaking solid. The whole bottom of this is just one big metal plate now. It's freaking sick. The bottom of the X5 is now like a modern military Humvee. It is it's 3/8 steel under the X5. I think it's a little thicker than 3/8 actually. Under the X5, complete steel, all the way from the front to like the back seats. It's pretty legit. It's pretty legit. I don't think we're going to have any issues with rocks now hitting anything or ruining anything. I think we are freaking solid. So they went to go grab some food. They're gonna come back and button all this up, and we should be ready to go. I'm super excited to get this on the trail now and try it and really just have confidence that we're not going to ruin anything. We are not going to ruin anything. We're gonna go ahead and clean it. I don't know what we're gonna do about the exterior, guys. I still have no idea. So I'm gonna play that by ear. But skid plate's on. It's freaking sick. We're gonna do a winch mount on the front next. That's coming very soon. I can't wait for that. So disregard my messed up bumper, but if we look from the front, we have a really nice looking skid plate right here. Tucks all the way up under the bumper. Comes down, goes all the way to the back. Disregard, there was a broken fuel line, so there's a little bit of diesel everywhere. But yeah, skid plate goes all the way back to the center right there. We're gonna have another plate bolt up and go all the way past the rear diff. For right now, we have the front plate all squared up because this was as big as this piece was. We might get a little festive with this. Me and Justin may try to something out under it one day to test it. Just a little something. Just a little something. We might do that. Might do that for sure. It might be a cool thing. We'll test that. Ladies and gents, I'm gonna bring you the end of this video. I'm sorry to cut this so short, but I have not had time to test this yet. So we're gonna end this here. Me and Justin, we're gonna go out and test it, and we may very well go out and test it this weekend coming up. But right now, I wanna get this video to you guys and show you how freaking sick this thing is. So I'm gonna drop this video now. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a thumbs down. That lets me know how the video is and how you guys like it and what content you wanna see. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you watched all the way through to this, I hope you have an awesome day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever you're watching this, wherever you're watching this. I hope you have an awesome time, and I really appreciate you watching this, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and I can't wait to go test this thing. I really can't wait to go test this thing. Not only in our alternative testing ways, but also just off-roading testing. I'm super excited. Shout out to Zach. Shout out to Jack for doing this for me. I'll drop all their comment and stuff down below so you guys can hit them up if you need any welding done. Super good guys. He's also my nephew, so hit him up, man. He does really good work, and if he doesn't do something right, I'll stand behind him no matter what he does. So thank you guys for watching this. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.